everyone, welcome to our channel. In this lecture we are solving a numerical related to hydrology on hydrological losses. The given question is, in a 3.5 hour storm, falling rates of rainfall were observed in successive 30-minute intervals are 4.4, 12, 8.5, 5, 5 and 8.6 mm per hour respectively. Assuming phi index of 4 mm per hour and initial loss of 1.2 mm, determine the total rainfall, net rainfall and W index. So let's start solving this. First, the total rainfall equals 4 plus 4 plus 12 plus 8.5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 8.6 times of 30 is divided by 60 equals 23.55 mm. Now net rainfall equals summation rainfall minus 5 times of del T equals 0 plus 0, 12 minus 4 plus 8.5 minus 4 plus 5 minus 4 plus 5 minus 4 plus 8.6 minus 4 times of 30 by 60 equals 9.55, as each of the rainfall data are subtracted from the phi index. Now initial losses loss equal 1.2 mm at effective duration 3.5 hour, that is T. So W index equals omega index equals P minus R minus I is divided by T equals P means the total rainfall 23.55 and the R means 9.55, that is net, and I means initial loss 1.2 is divided by the value of T is given as 3.5 R equals 3.657 mm per hour, which is the required solution for this. So for this time we end up the video up to this much. We'll come again with one new video. Till then, keep on watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.